Hi, Tom. It's nice to see you again.
Hey, Sarah. Yeah, it's been a while. How have you been?
I'm good, thanks. Just a little busy with work. What about you?
Same here. Work has been crazy lately, but I'm happy it's Friday.
Oh, yes, Friday always feels so good. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. Maybe I'll stay home and relax, watch a movie or something.
That sounds nice. I think I'll visit my parents. I haven't seen them for a few weeks.
Oh, that's great. Family time is always important.
Yeah, I really miss my mom's cooking.
Ha ha ha. Me too. My mom makes the best food.
What's your favorite dish from her?
Definitely her chicken soup. It's simple, but it tastes like home.
Aw, that's sweet. I love when food reminds you of home.
So, how's work going? You said you've been busy.
Oh, it's been non-stop. We're working on a new project and the deadline is next week.
Wow, that sounds stressful.
It is, but I like the challenge. It keeps my mind active.
That's a good way to see it. What kind of project is it?
It's a marketing campaign for a local company. We're trying to design new ads and social media content.
Sounds interesting. You've always been good with creative stuff.
Thanks, Tom. I try my best. What about you? How's your job going?
It's okay. I started a new position last month, so I'm still learning.
Really? Congratulations! What's your new role?
I'm now a team leader in the customer support department.
Wow, that's amazing. You must be proud.
Thanks. Yeah, it feels good. But it's a lot of responsibility.
I can imagine. Managing people is not easy.
True, but I'm learning to be patient and listen more.
That's a great skill. Communication is everything at work.
Totally agree. By the way, did you go anywhere during your vacation last month?
Yes! I went to the beach with some friends. It was so relaxing.
Oh, nice. Which beach did you go to?
We went to Sunny Bay. The weather was perfect. Sunny, but not too hot.
I've heard about that place. People say the water is really clear.
It is. The sea was so blue it almost looked like glass.
Wow, sounds amazing. I really need a vacation like that.
You should. Even a few days can make a big difference.
True. I think I'll plan something next month.
You totally should. Where would you like to go?
Maybe the mountains. I like quiet places with fresh air.
Oh, that sounds peaceful. I love the sound of birds in the morning.
Yeah, and you can go hiking, take pictures, just enjoy nature.
Exactly. No phone, no work, just peace.
Ha ha. That's the dream.
Speaking of peace, have you been doing anything to relax lately?
Actually, yes. I started reading again.
Oh, really? What kind of books do you read?
Mostly self-improvement and motivation books.
That's nice. I love those kinds of books. They make you think positively.
Yes, I read one last week called Atomic Habits.
Oh, I've heard about it. It's about small changes, right?
Exactly. It teaches you how small habits can create big results.
That's powerful. I need to read it too.
You should. It's really easy to understand and super practical.
Speaking of habits, do you still go jogging in the morning?
Not every day, but I try to go 3 times a week.
That's still good. I stopped exercising recently, and I can feel it.
Yeah, even a little exercise helps your energy.
I know. I want to start again. Maybe yoga this time.
Yoga's great. I tried it once and it was harder than I thought.
Haha. Yes. People think it's easy, but it really works your muscles.
True. Plus, it helps you relax and focus.
Exactly. I think I'll join a class next week.
Good idea. Maybe I'll join you.
That would be fun.
By the way, are you still learning Spanish?
A little bit. I study when I have free time.
Cool. How's it going?
It's going okay. I can say simple sentences now.
Nice. Like what?
Me gusta el café. That means I like coffee.
Ha ha. Of course it's about coffee.
You know me too well.
That's great, though. Learning languages is hard but fun.
Yeah, and it helps you understand other cultures too.
Totally. I think I'll learn Spanish someday, too.
We could practice together.
That would be great. You teach me Spanish, I'll help you with English.
Perfect deal.
So what's your favorite Spanish word so far?
I like tranquilo. It means calm or relaxed.
Oh, that's a nice word.
Yeah, it reminds me to stay calm even on busy days.
I like that. We all need a little tranquilo sometimes.
Exactly.
Speaking of coffee, do you want to grab one now?
Yes, please. I need caffeine.
Same here. Let's go to the cafe around the corner.
The one with the big windows?
Yep, that one. They make really good cappuccino.
Oh, I love their cakes too.
Then it's perfect. Let's go.
It feels so nice to just sit and chat like this.
Yeah, I miss having simple talks. Life gets so busy sometimes.
True. It's important to slow down and enjoy small moments.
Exactly. So, what's your favorite thing to do on a day off?
I like staying at home, cooking something nice, and watching movies.
That sounds relaxing. What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedies and romantic stories. I love happy endings.
Me too. Life is serious enough. Movies should make you smile.
Totally agree. What about you?
I like action movies, but also documentaries.
Oh, documentaries are great. You can learn a lot.
Yeah, I watched one about space last night. It was amazing.
Really? What did it say?
It talked about how small our planet is compared to the universe.
Wow, that makes you think, right?
Yes, it reminds me to be grateful for what we have.
That's a beautiful thought.
So what's something you're grateful for right now?
I'm grateful for good friends, like you.
Oh, that's so kind. I'm grateful for our friendship too.
And I'm grateful for coffee.
Ha ha ha. Of course you are.
It's the best part of my morning.
Same here. A good coffee makes a good day.
You know, Tom, conversations like this really help me practice my English.
Really? Your English is great.
Thanks. I still make mistakes sometimes, but talking helps me improve.
That's the best way to learn. Just speak.
Yeah, I agree. It feels more natural when I talk to a friend.
And you learn real words people actually use.
Exactly. Not just grammar rules.
So true. You're doing amazing, Sarah.
Thanks, Tom. You're a good teacher.
And you're a great student.
Haha, thanks. Okay, last question before I go. What's one goal you have this month?
I think I want to wake up earlier and be more productive.
That's a good goal. Morning time feels peaceful.
Yes. What about you?
I want to practice English every day, even just 10 minutes.
That's a great plan. Small steps make a big difference.
True. Thank you for the motivation.
Anytime, my friend.
All right, I should go now. I still need to buy groceries.
No problem. It was nice talking with you.
Same here. Let's meet again next week.
Sure. Same time, same cafe.
Perfect. Have a great evening, Tom.
You too, Sarah. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
I saw you standing by the window light, fingers tracing patterns in the night. Words were hanging just beyond our reach, moments waiting for the truth to breathe. Let's have a conversation heart to heart. Strip away the echoes, tear the walls apart. Every single secret we've been holding on. Tell me all your stories till the night is gone. You speak in silent echo, shy and slow. I lean in closer just to let you know I'm listening to the pauses in between. Every breath you take speaks what's unseen. No need for perfect lines or polished scenes. Just open up your heart, surrender to the stream. We'll find our way when we both confess, in candid tones of hope and tenderness. Let's have a conversation, heart to heart. Strip away the echoes, tear the walls apart. Every single secret we've been holding on. Tell me all your stories, till then it's guide us. Let's talk until the sunrise paints the skies, in conversation where our truth resides.